everyone, it's Juvy's World here and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna unbox one of my birthday presents from my husband and my boy. So this is what I got for my birthday. So I'm gonna unbox this one now. Oh, it's very well sealed, guys. It's a very pretty bag as well. I really love it. I really love it, and I'm very excited inside. So here we go. Actually, I have an idea already. Oops. Ta-da! So there you go. So you probably already have an idea what's inside. So it's a guess. And let's open this and see. Wow, are you ready, everybody? So here it is. Ta-da! It's a cutie bag. Yeah, let's place this one right like this. See. So this one, it's a very cutie size. And so this is the thingy here, the guess logo, and this one here still plastic, and as in it's a very cutie bag. Shall I mention the price? Yeah. So this one I'm gonna show you first what it looks like inside. Okay, closer look. So this one, so of course it has paper. So that's one inside, and there's extra pocket inside, guys. Extra pocket for a bit of cards or lipstick and something else, coins. And of course, let's move to the, just gonna put this one back, and let's move to the inside, the middle compartment. This one for your safety, for your important stuff. And this one, closer look inside, and it has another pocket in here, as in it's a very cutie bag, but you can certainly put a lot of stuff inside, as in it's only a it's a very good size as well. And one thing that I really like this one is you can sling this one as well. You can sling, you just have to connect this one right here. So there you go. So just like that, and then I'm gonna show it to you shortly what it's look like. I really like it, and it's a very simple, it's not too, you know, like social, not so fancy looking. It's just very nice and simple and elegant as well. So you can just put it in your shoulder like that, or you can do it like that, or you can sling. And it's so easy for me, you know, a sling bag, because especially, you know, when I hold Blake or I carry something, I just sling it, and yeah, easy to walk around. And for the price, this one is still have the price, guys, as in so the color is black and the style is this, and so the price, this one is $99. So normally $159. So it's a very good price. And so I'm gonna show it to you quickly what it looks like. So this is what it looks like, guys. So when you put the sling, there we go. I'm gonna walk this one here. There we go, guys. So this is what it looks like. Cutie. See, nice one. Very cute, as in it's very nice and light as well. I really love it. So yeah, that one. And sorry, guys. So, and also the lady told me that this bag came out November 2019. So it's only a new design as well. So it's only about 2 months ago, this one. So that's why they have this one sale, because obviously they have a new stock. That's why I got this one for a very good price. And my husband, this one, got this one around December. So yeah, as in it's a very cutie. And nice black one. And I really love the design here right in the middle. See, it's only this part that it has this type of logo. That one, this one, and you know, it's only like a little bit of guess. That's right here. It says guess. So yes, that's all. So this is one of my presents, guys, that I got from for my birthday. So thank you very much to my boys and my husband for this very lovely gift. As in, it's a cutie one. So yes, guys, that's all our unboxing for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you again for your never-ending support. To all who subscribe my channels, to all who always attended my else, thank you again. And of course, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And if you want to get notified for my next video, or if you want to join my LS, my live streaming, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will get notified for my next upcoming LS and videos. Thank you again. God bless everybody. Bye.